Now, we will learn how to hide rows and columns. First, let us learn how to hide the rows using our ready-made sheet. Select any row you want to hide. I will select 6 and 7. Right-click in your PC or Control in your Mac. Then select Hide Rows 6 to 7. But don't worry, you can see a tiny double arrow mark where you have hidden your row. Click there and your row reappears. Similarly, you can hide your column. Select the column header, then right-click it, then select Hide Column. Similarly, you can unhide it. Click in the double arrow mark, and you can see the column reappears. Now, if you have multiple sheet tabs, if you want to unhide it, select Hide Sheet. Now, if you want to unhide it, you have to go to View menu, then select Hidden Sheet, and then select Show Sheet to, and your sheet reappears.